Hello, YouTube family, how are you? I hope all are you fine and happy. Welcome to Fashion Forward, where we take you deep into the world of high-end footwear. From the latest 2025 high heel and mule trends to expert styling secrets, celebrity-inspired looks, and pro tips on walking like a queen, we've got it all in today's episode. And trust me, you don't want to miss a second of this. Stick around till the end, because we have some exclusive fashion insights that will completely transform your shoe game. High-heeled shoe: the history of high heels, a legacy of power and elegance. Before we dive into the hottest 2025 trends, let's take a quick journey back in time. Have you ever wondered why high heels are such a powerful symbol of elegance and confidence? Scroll ancient royalty and power. Did you know that high heels were originally worn by Persian warriors in the 10th century? They used them to secure their feet in stirrups. Later, European nobility, including King Louis XIV, made heels a royal fashion staple. High-heeled shoe: the feminine revolution. By the 20th century, high heels had become an iconic part of women's fashion, symbolizing grace, sophistication, and status. Fast forward to today, and high heels have evolved into a must-have accessory that defines elegance, power, and boldness. Fire, what's new in high heels and mules for 2025? Now, let's talk about what's hot in 2025. If you love heels, get ready to be amazed because this year's designs are pushing the limits of fashion. Keycap won the rise of architectural heels, wearable art. Geometric stilettos, think sleek, futuristic shapes inspired by modern art. Sculptural designs, twisting, curved, or asymmetric heels that look straight out of a runway show. Metallic and chrome accents, giving that ultra-modern, high-tech vibe. These heels aren't just footwear, they are masterpieces. Keycap 2 transparent and glass heels, the Cinderella effect. Lucite heels and crystal details, perfect for an ethereal, dreamy look. Holographic and iridescent finishes, catching the light from every angle. Glass heels are becoming a celebrity favorite, and we're seeing them all over major fashion runways. Keycap 3 strappy and lace-up heels, sensual and chic. Delicate, thin straps, perfect for a barely there look. Gladiator-inspired high heels, wrapping up the legs in an elegant, seductive way. Ankle-wrap mules, combining the ease of slip-ons with a bold, statement design. If you want to make your legs look longer and more sculpted, this trend is for you. Dress how to pair your heels with different outfits in 2025. The right pair of heels can completely transform your outfit. But how do you style them for different occasions? Briefcase for work and business meetings. Pointed toe stilettos in classic colors, black, nude, or beige heels give an elegant and professional touch. Kitten heel mules, ideal for long office hours while maintaining sophistication. Paired with power suits, pencil skirts, and tailored trousers. Party popper for parties and night out. Glittering and embellished stilettos, perfect for that red carpet look. Strappy high heels with metallic shine, a bold and trendy choice. Paired with mini dresses, cocktail gowns, and sleek jumpsuits. High-heeled shoe: casual everyday chic. Chunky heeled mules or platform stilettos, ideal for comfort without sacrificing style. Bold colors and textured finishes, adding a fun and trendy twist. Paired with high-waisted jeans, maxi skirts, and boho dresses. Which of these styles is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. Crown celebrity heels. Who's setting the trend in 2025? Wondering which celebrities are dominating the high heel fashion game this year? Let's take a look. Fire Rihanna, bringing back ultra-high stilettos with bold, fierce designs. Fire Zendaya, rocking futuristic metallic heels and sculptural mules. Fire Kim Kardashian, leading the trend with transparent, barely there glass heels. Fire Dua Lipa and Bella Hadid, showcasing ultra-modern, strappy high heel designs. From Hollywood red carpets to Fashion Week runways, these divas are setting the stage for the hottest footwear trends. Light bulb expert tips: how to walk comfortably in high heels. One of the biggest struggles with high heels is comfort. Here's how you can master the art of walking in heels effortlessly. Heavy checkmarks: start with a lower heel, If you're not used to stilettos, begin with a kitten heel or a block heel before transitioning. Heavy checkmark practice heel-to-toe walking. Never step flat-footed. Always land on your heel first, then roll forward to your toe. Heavy checkmark use cushioned insoles. High-quality insoles can make a huge difference. Heavy checkmarks strengthen your ankles and calves. Simple exercises like toe raises help improve balance. Master these techniques, and you'll walk like a supermodel in no time. High-heeled shoe designer versus affordable. Which heels are worth the investment? Gemstone luxury designer heels. If you want quality, exclusivity, and craftsmanship, brands like Louboutin, Jimmy Choo, Dior, and Versace are must-haves. Money bag affordable yet stylish. Many budget-friendly brands now offer trendy high heels with excellent comfort and durability. Would you rather invest in a high-end pair or buy multiple budget-friendly styles? Tell us in the comments. Direct hit closing thoughts. What's your high heel personality? We've explored the latest high heel trends, celebrity influences, expert styling tips, and pro secrets for walking with confidence. But now, it's your turn. White heavy checkmark. Which 2025 high heel trend excites you the most? White heavy checkmark. Are you a stiletto queen, a mule lover, or a trendy platform heel fan? White heavy checkmark. Do you prefer classic elegance or bold, statement-making footwear? Stiletto heels give women the kind of confidence that words cannot express. With tall, slim heels, sharp cuts, and stylish designs, they demand attention wherever you go. Whether it's a party or a boardroom, stilettos rule the scene. This season, glossy finishes, bold reds, and animal prints are trending hot. Mules shoes are the perfect mix of comfort and fashion. Their backless design gives freedom and flair to every step. From leather textures to wide straps and pastel tones, mules pair beautifully with any outfit. Kitten heels and square toes have made them ideal for everyday elegance. Stilettos are now styled with wide-leg trousers, skirts, and jumpsuits, while mules go perfectly with long coats, denim, and midi dresses. Trending colors include deep green, silver shine, nude beige, and classic black. In 2025, heels are not just footwear, they are a bold expression. Transparent styles, lace-up ankles, and geometric heels are defining the new fashion era. Brands are designing shoes that are not only eye-catching but also comfortable to wear. Strappy stilettos and block heel mules have become absolute must-haves. From daywear to evening events, these shoes complete your look with effortless grace and modern edge. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it and leave a comment below telling us which style you loved most. And be sure to subscribe to Fashion Forward so you never miss out on the latest trends and stunning footwear updates. Your support means the world to us. Thank you for being part of our fashion journey. Hello, YouTube family, how are you? I hope all are you fine and happy. Welcome to Fashion Forward, where we take you deep into the world of high-end footwear. From the latest 2025 high heel and mule trends to expert styling secrets, celebrity-inspired looks, and pro tips on walking like a queen, we've got it all in today's episode. And trust me, you don't want to miss a second of this. Stick around till the end, because we have some exclusive fashion insights that will completely transform your shoe game. High-heeled shoe. The history of high heels, a legacy of power and elegance. Before we dive into the hottest 2025 trends, let's take a quick journey back in time. Have you ever wondered why high heels are such a powerful symbol of elegance and confidence? Scroll ancient royalty and power. Did you know that high heels were originally worn by Persian warriors in the 10th century? They used them to secure their feet in stirrups.